Hi friends, welcome to Chana Creatives. In this video, M alphabet rhyme and M alphabet phonic sound. M says, what is the sound of M alphabet? Phonic sound of M? Ma, 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 monkey. Okay, now we are listening M story. Mono sits with his toy monkey on his mat. Mono sits with his toy monkey on his mat. Mama mat, mama monkey. Mono, he is lover of music. He loves so much. Mono plays his mandolin. Mandolin, mama mandolin. He puts on the music player too. When he was here playing mandolin, he puts music too. Mother is back from the market. She has mangoes and melons with her. Moni is very happy. He dances with joy, saying and by seeing the melons and mangoes. He was saying, ma, ma, mangoes, ma, ma, melons. Let's sing along with me and rhyme. Melons and mangoes fill my tum. Melons and mangoes fill my tum. Fill my tum. Fill my tum. Melons and mangoes fill my tum. Eat them. They are very yummy. They are M. Ma, 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 ma. M. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.